Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Class 1, have you all done the homework which was given in the previous lecture? Very good. Now let's continue our unit number 7, fractions. Take out your books, page 100, exercise on your own. Question number 1, color the shapes that have equal parts. Find the shapes that have equal parts, then color them. It's your homework. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2, circle the correct fractions for the colored part. Look at the first figure. Can you tell me what fraction it is? 1/2, 1/3 or 1/4? Yes, it's 1/2. Circle it. Okay, the next one figure shows 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. It has 3 equal parts and one part is colored, so we can say this is 1/3. Circle on the 1/3. Okay, next question. Question number 3 on the same page. Identify and take halves, thirds and quarters. Can you tell me which figure shows quarters in the first row? Yes, it's first figure. Okay, in the next part B, which figure shows halves? Yes, the last one, number 3rd. Okay, now open page 101 and note down the homework. You have to complete question number 4, 5 and 6. In question number 4, you have to draw a line to show equal halves. Draw a line from the center of each figure to show 2 equal halves. And in question number 5, draw a line to show equal quarters. You have to draw 2 lines which makes 4 equal parts of the figure. And in question number 6, you have to match the following fractions of shapes with the objects. Match the fractions of the shapes with the correct objects. Okay, now note down the homework. Do page 100 and 101 in book. Dates should be mentioned in your books. Thank you.